Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a smoke like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First, new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, OK. Again, new solid and I'll change this color to white, then hit OK. Then I'll go to tools, rectangle tool and add a mask like this. Then I'll go to mask one, mask feather, change it to 700. Okay, so now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type turbulent displace, double click, go to amount, I'll increase amount to 80, size decrease it to 50. Okay, complexity I'll change it to 6. Okay, go to first frame, keyframe on offset, go last frame and change XY position like this. Also, I'll go to evolution, press Alt and keyframe, go here and type time times 100. Okay, so now I'll go to Turbulent Displace and Control D to copy. Displacement, I'll change it to Turbulent Smoother. Okay, also amount decrease it to 20. Size increase it to 70. Then I'll go to mask, go here, double click and drag it down like this. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.